The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is advising students on education-related travel in West Africa and advising universities on how to handle any potential cases of Ebola. KFDM's Haley Boole joins us now in studio to explain what that means for students in Southeast Texas. Haley?
Greg, the CDC recommends schools postpone travel to Guinea, Liberia, and Sierra Leone, some of the regions hardest hit by the virus. At Lamar University, administrators are advising students against travel to West African countries. The campus has an international student population of about 600 people, mostly from India and China, though some students may be from West Africa and have relatives there. We sat down and spoke with a student about his family in Nigeria. It's a melting pot of students at Lamar University. People from around Texas and the world converging to study.
United States is my home country, but Nigeria is my country too. And I was just very proud to see that, they're able to just nip that in the bud very quickly.
Senior Charity Ogbeide is focusing on public relations, but not far back in his mind, his family in Nigeria.
I believe they're staying prayerful, and I believe they're staying cautious and watching what's their surroundings, watching what they're doing, as far as being able not to contract it.
Ebola, a virus that's killing thousands in West Africa. A virus Nigeria contained.
There are hospitals, there are clinics, there are doctors, but it's not necessarily, as far as the abundance of resources economically that we have in the United States, it's not the same over there. So, that's something that can come across your mind as like, okay, well, how's that going to happen? What's that going to work?
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says the government of Nigeria responded quickly and limited the outbreak to a small number of cases.
I'm happy that my family is safe and it's okay, but also I'm still worried about the people who aren't my family, the other people out there in Liberia and Sierra Leone, where it's spreading like wildfire.
His concern for the people in West Africa is now hitting home.
That was really like, whoa, it's just reality, it's one of those things where we typically just watch on TV and we feel like, oh, that's not going to happen to us,
While doctors in a Dallas hospital are treating a nurse for Ebola, the CDC is issuing guidelines to student health centers. The senior associate provost at Lamar University says, quote, "We do turn to the health experts locally and in the state and federal governments to share information with us, and we'll take whatever precautions they advise. We're always concerned about the health and well-being of students and employees." The university also says there is no ban on international applications, including from students in countries where Ebola is present. But Lamar is advising students against traveling to West African countries. Reporting live in the studio, Haley Boole, KFDM 6 News.